Okay, so this is officially the first installment of the Tiny Box Challenge with the Kacharskis, and they sent this box to us. Linda wasn't too happy about having to be restricted to such a tiny little box, and I will put it up against kind of a regular box so you can see it's pretty darn tiny. So I told her she could do it, and she has met the challenge so gracefully. So now I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what we've got. After several minutes of trying to cut through the many layers of tape, I'm going to open this up now and see what we've got waiting for us. Oh, I see a huggy dog. And we have damage to our little box. Oh, that's not good. But we have tape. Alright, so we got Huggy here, and we've got a cute little note. Very colorful. Looks like lights, I think. Some really cool lights. Oh my gosh, look at all this fun stuff in here. M&M's. How cute is that? That is so cute. And then we've got, I don't know what's in here. I don't know yet. And we've got, oh goodness, a G for Grady. And a J for Jelly. Oh my gosh. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look fun. And what I need in this cold weather, some lip balm. Burt's Bees, the best stuff in the business. Thank you guys. That was so much fun. I'm gonna open this up and see what it is. Thanks. Look at this. This is a tinier box that was inside that box. And something in bubble wrap. And then all these beautiful sea glass. Wow. Look at that. Oh, shamrocks. For our Wheatons, in honor of our Wheatons. And oh my goodness. All sorts of fun stuff. Pretty, 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 pretty. Alright. It's gold in here, Hills. Oh my goodness, there's gold too. Awesome. I'm going to open this one up and I'll film it. I've got it all opened up now. Look at this beautiful necklace. Thank you, Gary, so much for making that. I love it. I love the clasp that you used. That is so cool. And the sunflower and the sea glass. So pretty. But look at all the cool stuff we got out of that little box. You did it, Linda. You thought you couldn't, but you did. Fabulous job. I can't wait to fill the box and send it back to you. Mwah. Thanks, you guys.